Start? My name is Joaquin Jimenez. I'm professor at ETH and also a scientist at EAVAC, and I have the opportunity here in the summer school to talk about subsurface environmental processes. In this case, I was talking about mixing and chemical reaction in soils. As you know, soil hosts critical resources for life sustained. And I was showing during my presentation how this interplay occurred between water, chemicals, and also at the end I was showing the role that microbiology was playing. That was a complementary talk together with my colleague Danny Orr that was addressing mainly the physics of these processes. And during my presentation I could show what is the impact of saturation. It means the fraction of the pore volume that is occupied by water on fluid-fluid, but also on fluid-solid reactions, and in two different cases. In the case in which the air is not moving, then it's what we call unsaturated, or when the air is moving, it's what we call multiphase flow. This has, of course, implication for the fate of many chemicals, including contaminants and nutrients. So if you are interested about that, you will find a long record of my presentation, and also the PDF is available. Thank you very much.